Hey there, it's Robert with budbells.com, and for today's warm-up you're going to do a tabata, and it's going to be 2 tabatas put together time-wise, so it's going to be 8 minutes instead of 4, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and 2 exercises back-to-back. So it's a sumo deadlift high pull to a goblet press, and a deck squat to a squat jump. And just going to be back to back. So you're going to do 8 rounds of each. So the sumo deadlift high pull to a press, you're going to get the bell right in the middle of your heels. High pull it, catch it, press. And the deck squat to squat jump. Alright, that's the warm-up. The workout is 26, 16, 6. 26 of each one of these exercises, and then 16, and then 6 of each one. So the first one is Renegade row, and it's 26 total, so it's 13 on each side. Get a plank. All right, 13 on each side, and then a 4-count TRX pike. Take your TRX and lengthen it out. Go from a plank to a pike and then out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2-to-1 swing squat. So 2 swings to a squat. 26 of them. Swing, swing, squat. There's 1 rep. And the last one is a V-up to a push-up. Alrighty, go through that 26 times, and then 16, so the Renegade row and the 16 would be 8 on each side. Alrighty, there's your workout. Enjoy it, and see you next time.